I'm in the area of the Placzwell Kopolski. Actually just arrived to a different traditional market. Right, so I'm going to buy something. This is what I really like living in Poland, especially in Poznan. Wherever you go, there's so many nice fresh market. Nice. It's raining outside, so that's why I decided to go to the market hopping. So many nice fruits. I feel like I wanna buy fruits. Nice. So colorful. On the left, on the right side. Nice red. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. Nice. Oh, I don't know what sort of fruit is this. I feel like I wanna buy strawberries. Oh, look at this. You see, there are so many fresh fruit. Oh my god. Walor. Nice. So colorful. Yum, 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 yum. Nice. On the left, on the right side. Nice. So many nice fresh morella, banana, citrina. Oh, this is so lovely. Nice. Beautiful. I really like strolling and wandering around the market, and what I bought is strawberry. 1 kilogram of strawberry. Nice. It's nice. I like market. I love markets. I like to see how people shopping traditionally. Nice. And this one is the meat shop. This one also. And next to me is the flower shop. It's nice. Yes, this one is another my favorite market. Very good afternoon, everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. Yes, it is raining nowadays, and I think that the weather here is cannot be predicted. Just like summer, somehow it's raining, but still enjoyable. I mean, it's not that humid. So yeah, I decided to go to the another traditional market to go shopping. So that was the Placzwell Kopolski, the traditional market. So many nice flowers. Now I decided to go to the Eat Street around here to have a coffee. I'm in the area of the Placzwell Kopolski, Stare Miasto. So this one is the history a long time ago, how it looks. You see, in the year of 1876. This place is just like a piece of history. It's nice. So I'm taking you to stroll around. Oh, look at this red brick building. It's just like a piece of history that's still left. That's another restaurant. And this one is going to the Stare Rynek. First of all, I would like to have a coffee. This is how it looks, the traffic situation at afternoon. And then it's raining, and look at this building in front of me. Yeah, let's have a coffee somewhere. And a guided tour. Interesting. It's raining outside. I decided to go to one coffee shop. It's actually nice, and many young people actually here. It's called Sticky Blenders, and here is the menu. Nice. so many nice pastry there. So many nice pastries. Nice. It's very nice coffee shop and nice coffee. Nice. With the with the cinnamon roll. Fika time. It is nice coffee shop, and yeah, this is how it looks. Poznan in the rain. I'll take you to walk, but if you go straight, it will be the Stare Rynek. So we are in the market square, Stare Rynek. Actually, it's raining, but it seems like yes. What I can say then? Because this one is the main attraction here in Poznan. Some people still having a lunch, eating outside. It's nice. Some of the restaurant also inside. Walking in the rain. I just wonder how it looks in the winter. Damian said it's beautiful, but walking in the summer and the rain, also nice. Walking through the restaurant, you see the restaurant inside is actually busy, but sitting outside is just also interesting. Nice. Beautiful. I really like the building architecture here. Nice. Ah, look at this. I think this one is the souvenir shop. Nice. Ah, look at this. Oh, it's gonna be a Bangkok restaurant. Bangkok Thai restaurant. Always busy everywhere. That's the Ratus. It's nice. It's beautiful, isn't it? I don't know, I really feel like it's really Europe when I see the fountain, the buildings like this, only in Europe. Find like this with the architecture like this. It's nice. Really like this antique lamp, the street lamp. It's just nice. It's amazing. That's the Zamek behind me, and look at this painting. It's nice. This is make me feel like, I'm in Europe. I remember my husband always said that, he's just worried. I never been living abroad, and then only living in Bali for about 30 years. And whenever we go, he keeps saying that, is it okay that you live in Poland and far away from, your home country? For me, that's like, it's okay. It's fine, I really like it living here in Poznan. It's not that too overcrowded. It's so lovely how they explaining to the kids about the history of the places. It's nice. And in front of me is the public library and also the place Salas Lubov. It means like you can do your civil wedding there. It's nice. And in front of me is the Plac Wolności. Really, I don't know how to express my gratitude again. I'm so grateful to be here. You know, maybe some people think it's just like concrete building and boring. You know, for me, it's nice, peaceful. I mean, like nice to learn so many brand new things. Believe like some people from Europe have a dream living to Asia, but for me, I'm Asian. I have a dream living in Europe, so I'm living my dream. I always said like that. Wow, you see, in the rain, coming to take a picture in the fountain. It's nice. Look how clean the water is. It's really nice. So this building is the Plac Wolności, and now there is a place to chill, enjoying coffee, beer, something like that. It's just like these people. So it's nice and surrounded by nice old building architecture. It's kind of like Kamienica. Look at this in front of me. So yeah, go home, and yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. A little bit stroll around the Rīnek, having a coffee, going to the market. So this is a part of my daily life. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Ось наш вон